block in the Janome Quilt Along is the checkerboard block. To make the checkerboard, you are going to need 2 3.5 inch by width of fabric strips of red and 2 3.5 inches by width of fabric strips of white. So 1 red strip to 1 white strip, and repeat. Mark the end that you stitched from. Once your strips are sewn together, press your seams towards the red. So you're going to do that on both of these strips. The reason I marked the end that I started stitching on is because when I stitch the 2 strip sets together, I want to stitch from the opposite end. So I'm going to turn this around and I am going to stitch from the opposite end and attach these 2 strip sets together. Again, I'm going to press towards the red. So I want my seams to be going in one direction, in the other direction, and then opposite each time. So now that I have the strip sets sewn together, I want to subcut them into strips of 3.5 inches wide. You should have enough to make 3 blocks. And when you lay them out, you're going to turn every second one around so that we get our checkerboard. Stitch them together 2 at a time. And we will get a nice intersections if we lock our seams in there. They will all be going in the opposite direction because we're switching them around. Next, what you want to do is open up that piece and look at it from the back. And we're going to pop these seams open. And when you do that, you will see kind of a little forepatch right there. And we're able to do this on each one of them because of the way we pressed our seams. Give this a press from this side. And then turn it over and give it a press from the top side. When you spin your seams, you get a nice flat intersection, which will make quilting easier. Prepare your quilt sandwiches by layering your backing, batting, and quilt block. Baste using your favorite method, and meet me back here next month for part 2.